Hey, guess what, man? This is the smartest girl in town. Hey, guess what, man? This is the smartest girl in town. Uncle Bill teaches her, right? But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shakara man in the pan. Hey, guess what? Here's my greatest friend here, man. Amazing girl, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shakara man in the pan. Come on, give fast. Hey, guess what? I got two of my friends over here visiting the island, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shakara man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what? Look at my friend. He's the greatest frosting eater, right? But who's the greatest chef? Okay, big shakara man in the pan. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. You know, there was a lot of requests for younger children to show them how to cook. Learn how to follow instructions. You learn about measurement. I'm gonna make really a special dessert, instant pudding dessert. I got some mountain apple brand banana, okay? With a butter knife now, you show them how to slice the banana. Slice the banana, okay, just like that. Okay, I got the banana all sliced and I put that right on the side. Then I have these beautiful strawberries. You know, it comes from California, right? So you can learn how to take off the strawberries. In fact, I'm using a pan to throw all the rubbish inside. Okay, now with the strawberries, you know, you learn how to slice it or dice it. Cut it in half like this, right? You can do any size you want, and you can use any fruit you want. You know, you want to use some blueberries. You can use some blueberries. Slice it thin. Okay, so I got the strawberries. I got the bananas, and I bought some cupcakes. You know, this is from KTA bakery. Okay, so I'm gonna slice the cupcakes in like chunks. Okay, just like this. Slice a cupcake just in chunks. Okay? Just like that. You get a measuring cup or whatever you want. You get Jello, your instant pudding. Now this is how you gotta follow instruction. What it says here. Let's put this inside here. Put it in a measuring cup. Now if it's 2 cups of cold milk, you gotta make sure your measuring cup is bigger than 2 cups. I got a 4-cup measuring cup. 2 cups of not just cold milk, Mountain Apple brand cold milk. Okay? Put it on the side. Now you can stir it in many different ways. Like I grabbed two forks because I don't have those whisk and all that. So I make it like a whisk. You gotta whisk them, and what's gonna happen? The thing's gonna get hotter and hotter and hotter. Okay, I think it's just about done. You get some cups. You can get any type of cups here, okay? Also said on my instructions, 4.5 cup serving, okay? Refrigerate any leftover. So because I have all of the fruits, I'm gonna put 5 cups. Now I put some of these cupcakes on the bottom. Now in each one, I pour in some pudding. Okay, just a little bit, okay? Now you can actually, see, you can put it in just like this. This is my first layer, a cupcake pudding. Then I put in some bananas, okay? Okay, I got the bananas in here. And I put another layer of pudding on top. Everybody's gonna love your dessert. And put in these amazing strawberries over, just like that, okay? Now, since I got a little bit more pudding, layer it on. I have some almonds, so I'll just top it with some almonds. You can put macadamia nut, you can put Oreo cookies, you can top it. I use whipped cream, you can use Cool Whip, things to make it beautiful. Here you go, your instant pudding dessert. Might look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it doesn't taste good. It tastes incredible. So all you students out there, You folks just learn how to cook. Until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Shaka and aloha. Hey, guess what, man? You know these two ladies that teach me how to make the amazing dessert. What? Awesome. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. What do you guys want to tell everyone out there?
Happy New Year!
Okay, big shaka.